Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free kale chips. So easy and so tasty, you wouldn't want to spend any more money on store-bought kale chips. Half a cup of chopped kale leaves, only the leaves, not the stem. This should be equal to one large kale. A quarter cup of chopped cashews. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a good source of fiber, reduces cholesterol, inflammation, and blood pressure as well. 3/4 cup of cassava flour. Cassava is a root vegetable and has vitamin C. A quarter cup of pecan flour. Pecan flour is high in fiber and protein. Half a tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt improves digestion and reduces blood pressure. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are an antioxidant high in fiber and omega 3s. 1 tablespoon of an egg replacer made out of garbanzo beans in 2 tablespoons of water. Garbanzo beans are anti-inflammatory and good for digestion. Half a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast has B12, supports energy, and is vegan. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. First, put 2 tablespoons of water and then add some more for a smoother paste. I put 1 leaf of basil and rosemary. It has vitamin K and antioxidants as well. I added about a quarter cup of water to get the right paste. Then I put this paste on a baking tray with parchment paper and baked this for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I air fried this at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes to get this nice and crunchy. Keep an eye on this every few minutes. I snapped this to test how crunchy it was. It passed the snap test and flew from my fingers. These kale crackers are so easy to make instead of buying this at any other store for an insane amount of money. The kale chips were crisp and tasted slightly bitter and earthy. The rosemary and thyme smelled so good in this. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes, and have a great day.